Hello. In this video, I would like to tell you about metrics, and maybe if you ask Scrum Master, your team or somebody from your organization asks you a question, hey, why we measure things? What's the point in the having metrics in our team or organization? And maybe you wonder how to answer for this question. In this video, I would like to provide you some inspirations. Please don't treat this as I get this experience in a certain context, so maybe the context of your organization will be a bit different. So, what's the point of having metrics? Generally, this is what I wanted to say. I divided for three parts. Let's call them levels. Yeah. So having metrics on the first level means that you simply just measure your business. And general truth is that if you cannot express your business in numbers, then probably you don't know what you are doing. So on the first level, we learn how to measure things. Maybe we learn how to automate collecting data. And usually when I start working with a team or new organization, I propose three metrics in three domains: productivity, quality, and value. For the productivity, the most easiest metric you can implement in your team will be velocity. For quality, for example, it might be number of bugs in your product backlog. And for value, might be, for example, happiness index. Yes, because the rule of thumb says that the happy teams probably generates more value. All right. So if we learn how to measure, if we automate potentially this process, if everybody in our organization used to that we measure things and those metrics are transparent, people get familiar with that and everybody accept that, then we can go for the next level. And then on the next level, probably we'll need to verify our metrics if the set of the metrics is correct one. Maybe we would like to add better metrics which suits better for our business. And the point of having metrics on this level is to search the best metrics, the best set of metrics for our business. So when you add new metrics to your collection, there is a risk that you will have too many metrics, and because of that, the transparency will decrease. So the important thing here is to always put a kind of a priority for the metrics to know, and having, for example, a small subset of metrics. Yeah, that okay, we constantly observe just those 2 or 3 metrics. Yeah, maybe we measure the rest for some analysis for later, but we focus only on this. If you find, or you are convinced that you found already the proper set of metrics, then you can go to the third level. And on the third level, being on that level means probably that we have a strategy for your product, for your organization, for your team, and you bind the metrics to a certain point of the strategy, and probably those metrics will be divided on 2 subsets, lagging and leading metrics. Yeah, having a lagging metrics, you will be observing if your actions, your efforts brings some value to the team, to the organization, to the product. Does your effort change something? And leading metrics will help you to navigate with your strategy on the market. Yeah, leading indicators, leading metrics will tell you if you are going in the right direction, right? So basically that's it. If somebody in your team will ask you why we measure things, tell him because we want to express our business in numbers, because we want to know where we are going, and we want to know if our efforts brings any change. Yes. I wish you a good day. Think about the way you measure. See you next time.